because I sent Oriel there, and you know how that went.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck. Fuck me. Now it's everywhere.
She asked me to go, she brought a bottle of fucking Irish whiskey and a 6-pack of beer. And she goes, like, what do you drink? I said, oh, okay. I fucking went in the kitchen, and I seen Flash. I walked back out, I came around the corner, and I seen her fucking taking pictures. I said, what the fuck you doing? I said, no fucking pictures. And he said, oh, look, we deleted them. Oh, yeah. I don't know nothing about these phones. I know she didn't delete them.
No.
And I don't know how many she took. No.
I think it was, she got around 10.
Yeah, that pissed me off.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Gary.
People wanted a fucking autopsy report. Fucking doctor in Florida was gonna give me $50,000 for it. And then it came out on the fucking internet.
It's been a nightmare. I'm so sorry.